Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss TCS NQT coding question which was asked in one of the shift on 9th of April. Okay. So the question is you will be given an integer array of size n and a key value. Okay. You have to find the frequency of each element and sort the elements based on their frequency in ascending order. If two elements have the same frequency, maintain their first appearance order in the original array. Construct the final sorted array by repeating the every element according to its frequency. Okay, how we will say it, and find the index of given key in the sorted result. Okay, or array. If input n is not an integer, then print the invalid input. Okay, so we'll understand this theory concept or description with the help of test case. Okay, so this is the test case, n value is 10. So these are the 10 array elements. Okay, so first we have to find the frequencies of each element. So 201 is thrice, and 202 is thrice, 203 is also thrice, 204 is once. Okay, so this is a key element. Leave out this is a key, we have to take it from the user. Okay, so what we will be doing it is, okay, leave this step. Okay, ignore this step. We will discuss this step further in the below steps. Okay, so the unique elements initially are 201, 202, 203, 204, right? So with the frequencies 3 3 3 1. Okay, so sort by frequency. So what we have to do, we have to sort based on the frequencies. So here 204 will come with the frequency 1, so it will come first, right? So it will come first, and then all these three elements has the same frequency, that is 333, right? So what we gonna do is, like, we will preserve this order itself. We can't give like 3 2 1. Okay, 203, 202, 201. So we have to preserve the order in the, okay, how the elements are being in the original array. Okay, in that order we have to maintain, that is 201, 202, 203. Okay, so after that is with the frequency 3, right? So because their frequencies are equal, we preserve their original first appearance order. Okay, you have to understand this. Yeah, so therefore what will happen is, it will look kind of like this: 204, 201, 203, 20, sorry, 202, 203 with their frequencies. Okay, so create a resultant array. Okay, just create a resultant array. So what gonna happen is, just you have to repeat each element according to its frequency. Okay, 204 is once, 201 is thrice. So three times you have to print, or three times you have to store it in the resultant array. That's it. So 202 is thrice. Okay, and 203 is also thrice. So these all things, if you put it in an array, so it will look kind of like this. So at last we got the resultant array, right, with their correct frequencies. Okay, and frequency times the element, right? So what we have to do in that in that resultant array, we have to find the key. I have to find the key. What is the key? 202, right? In this frequency array, we have to find the key, that is 202. So this will be in this order. So at last, if you find that key element in the resultant array, we will get the index resultant as a 4. So we have to print the value as a 4. Okay, so 4 is a okay, actual result. Okay, I hope you understood this coding question. So before moving to the video, pause this video. Before moving to the coding part, pause this video and try it with yourself. Okay, so before moving to the video, please subscribe to our channel Gen Z Tech for latest hiring updates. Okay, and also, if you are preparing for TCS exams, so I'm like providing all the coding questions in this playlist, so please go and check it out. Okay, moving towards the coding part. So this is the code. So what's gonna happen is, it's a main method. So I'm taking a scanner class. Okay, so ignore this try and all. Okay, just for the testing purpose, I have been given the try and all. Okay, I'm taking the input from the n and array elements. I'm taking the array elements and I'm storing it in the array, and then a key element, right? So after doing all these things, I have created two, okay, lists. Okay, why two lists means, one is for storing the, wait, I will write here, storing what, this is to storing the actual element. Okay, actual, okay, elements in the unique, sorry, it's getting stuck. Unique actual elements. Okay, not the repeated. Also, it's like a unique actual elements. This is for unique actual elements uh, frequency. Okay, this is to find the unique actual element. Okay, sorry, frequency. Okay, this is the one that those things. And what we're gonna do, okay, we're gonna find the each element. So what I'm doing is I'm running a loop on the array. Okay, what's the array? You know that, okay, array. So on that array I'm running. So what's gonna happen is, you guys know this thing. This I have previously I have told in one of the video, that is, this is to find the actual elements. Okay, sorry, not actual elements. This is to find the unique elements. Okay, this is to find the or store the unique elements in a list in the preserved order of that array. In the preserved order. Okay, we are preserving the actual order, and we are storing the unique elements. Okay, if you ignore this thing, okay, just if you will add, if you add that particular, if you write this if statement and if you write this thing, so it will add all the unique elements. So here, before adding the elements, we are checking the things, okay, counts and all. Okay, so here I'm like counting, that is c is equals to 0. This is okay, again I'm running a loop from 0 to array dot length. So I means to find the frequency of that particular element, right? Okay, so we what we will do is, like, we will okay, get all the elements with their frequency if we run this full loop. Okay, so I will write here the actual values, do not, so wait, I will check once. Okay, we'll check once the 202. What's the elements? 201, 202, 203, 204. Okay. So 201, 202, 203, 204. Okay. So with the actual kind of things will be like, it will be tries, I guess. Right. This will also be tries. This will also be tries. This will be once, right? So this is the frequencies. This is for the frequencies. This is for the actual element, unique elements to store in the reserved order. Okay, actual order. So convert array list to arrays. Why we are converting array list to array means, see, inside, if I want to sort something, see, based on the frequencies, I need to sort uh, the array actual, not array, in the unique elements, right? Based on these frequency, I need to sort that unique array list, right? So if I make use of array list, the logic to write these things is a little bit complex. What you have to do, you have to write l dot sort of, inside that you have to pass the lambda function, kind of things you have to do, or collections dot sort of list comma a lambda function you have to pass. So this is kind of trickier logic. If you know, you guys try it out with yourself. So here I'm telling you a easy logic. Okay, we will be making use of bubble sort and off. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, so this is just a normal thing, just converting the list things into array elements. Okay, just putting the array sorry, list elements in an array. Okay, so at last, what I'm doing, sort by frequency, bubble sort. Okay, here we are making use of bubble sort. Okay, what is I hope you guys know the bubble sort. Okay, we will run until the n minus 1, and the thing we have to write inner thing j loop, we have to run n minus I minus 1, right? So this is the thing. So you can run r1 itself here, because both the lists or both the arrays will be having the unique same length, or not unique, or same length. Yeah, unique, and tell unique itself. Okay, yeah, unique, same length. Okay, so what we are doing is, we are comparing with r2. Why r2 means, because we have to sort based on the uh, frequencies, right? So r2 has all the frequency things of that particular of those elements, okay, array elements, right? So we will be like comparing on the secondary. Okay, secondary, right? This array is for I will write elements, this array is for frequency. Okay, frequency. So kind of things. So what we're gonna do is swap frequency first, and then swap the actual elements also. Okay, it will swap correctly, because both will be have the same indices, both will be having the same length. So at that, those particular indices, those particular frequencies will be there, and it will sort, okay, correctly. First we will swap the frequency elements, then we will swap the actual elements. Okay, this is easy if you understand by traversing while watching this video once, please. Okay, the length of the video is going more, so I'm not traversing that particular array over here, because it will go length, my video will be length. So once you try, okay, while watching this video, once you try on your own, okay, while traverse, okay, traverse, it will sort based, we will be like considering the frequency element. We will sort, we will swap both, the frequency also will be swapping, with the frequency we will be swapping the actual elements also, okay. So kind of things will happen, and then we will be creating a actual resultant array. So why this actual resultant array means that I told, right, those this thing, wait, I will show you. See, we have to put these things also, right? This thing we are running for, these things we are like uh, running that this loop, okay. To we want how many times the frequency is there, right? That many times we want that particular elements in the resultant array, right? Kind of thing only we have done here. See, 204 is once, 201 is thrice, 202 is thrice, 203 is thrice, right? So to find that, we have run this loop, okay. First array is on the actual R1, that is unique array elements, and the second loop is on the frequency, okay, frequency based on that sorted thing, right? That frequency, on that array we are like running the inner loop, and we are okay, storing those elements in the resultant array. At last, what you're gonna do is, this is just for my preference, I have printed here. So at last, what I'm doing is, I'm finding that particular element key, okay, element in the resultant, okay. At that particular resultant, I will be having the array elements itself, right, by their frequency times, okay. So we will, what we will do is, I will find that particular key elements index, and we will be returning, and I will be printing that index, okay. These things will do, okay. This why catch means, this is for the invalid input, okay. I told ignore, sorry for those things. uh, okay. In my starting thing, the logic was running, so I missed this thing. So in my mind, so this is for the invalid input things, okay. If we are, if while entering the user the integer values, if he enters a character or string values, it will throw, and not throw, it gonna print here, okay, the invalid input thing, okay. So we'll run once and see how it's working. So I will be copying the array elements. Wait, I will copy, or else again I have to write all the array elements and all. Who will write? Okay, so run normal Java application, and okay. So it's like, okay, I'm gonna console. I want, right? So I will click enter, and I will, yeah, how many elements? 10 elements, right? First I have to control V, and the thing. So okay, sorry. See, I have been given the comma, right? So it has been given me an error. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do? 10 elements. So I will be printing, and I will remove this. Please, guys, please try it by once by on your own. Okay. The key element is 204, I guess. Yeah. See, this is sorted array. I got 204 at zeroth index, it seems. Okay. Yeah, zeroth index I got 204, right? So that's why. So if I run once again, our key value was 202, right? So I will see, I got the index as 4. So this is at index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, at fourth index I'm getting 202, right? So that is the index. So this was the logic. So I hope you guys understood this logic. Okay. So please share this video with your friends who is preparing for the actual coding questions of TCS NQT. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.